few pretty significant misconceptions that we hear relatively frequently from providers when it comes to reputation and review strategy. And today we're going to address 3 significant missteps and how to correct them. The first and perhaps most common misstep that medical practices make when it comes to reputation strategy is avoiding online reputation altogether, simply because it seems overwhelming, uncomfortable, or just even unimportant. The most common response that we hear from an apprehensive provider is, "We are a referral-based practice and therefore do not focus on getting reviews online." However, this approach could not be further from the truth if your practice does in fact rely heavily on patient referrals, because the inevitable next step, once referred, is for that prospective new patient to Google the name of your practice. The very first thing that referred patient will see are the overall rating and individual reviews that previous patients have shared about their experience with you as a provider. Now, this actually brings us to our second misconception, and that is reviews are most important or impactful on Yelp. The truth is, while Yelp reviews are important, specifically to avid Yelpers or those using Apple search, your reputation strategy should emphasize directing patients to write positive feedback for your practice on your local GMB or Google page. Reviews on Google play an extremely significant role in how well your practice ranks compared to other local providers within your specialty. And even words written in each review posted on Google are also indexed for search results. For example, if you are a cosmetic dental practice in Los Angeles and a patient writes a Google review saying that you are the best cosmetic dental practice in Los Angeles, you actually have a much higher likelihood of showing up in search results when future patients search for best cosmetic dentist in Los Angeles. A third common mistake that we see practices make is not responding to the reviews that they receive. Responding to all reviews, both positive and negative, is abundantly important so that patients can see that you are actively involved in improving the patient experience within your practice. Simple, positive, HIPAA-compliant responses to thank patients for sharing their positive experience or frustration with their visit goes a long way at helping patients feel better about choosing your practice. And as a bonus, Google does reward higher engagement on your page with better overall local rankings. For these reasons, we actually respond to all reviews on behalf of each client that we work with here at Modern Practice. For more tips on reputation strategy and overall marketing trends, make sure to check out our other helpful videos and follow our social channels. As always, we are here to help you build a more successful modern practice.